Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best screen cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who owns electronic devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and TVs, as keeping your screens pristine not only enhances your viewing experience by removing smudges, fingerprints, and dust but also contributes to the longevity of your gadgets by preventing potential damage from abrasive particles. In today's tech-driven world, where our screens are constantly exposed to the elements and our own touch, a reliable and effective screen cleaner is no longer a luxury but a necessity for maintaining the clarity and functionality of our digital interfaces. Number 5. Care Touch Lens Wipes. Introducing Care Touch Lens Wipes, your ultimate solution for smudge-free lenses. These individually wrapped wipes ensure a gentle yet effective clean for all your optical devices. Our pre-moistened wipes are designed to be tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. Easily remove fingerprints and smudges from eyeglasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. Each wipe is perfectly sized at 5 by 6 inches and individually wrapped for ultimate portability. Keep them in your pocket, purse, or car for a quick clean whenever you need it. With 210 wipes in each pack, you'll have a long-lasting supply of cleaning power. Enjoy consistently clear vision without frequent replacements. From eyeglasses and sunglasses to camera lenses, these wipes are formulated for safe and effective cleaning. Experience the difference of truly clean optics. Trust Care Touch for all your lens cleaning needs. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products that enhance your visual experience. What we like. These wipes are individually wrapped, making them incredibly convenient for on-the-go cleaning. If you frequently wear glasses or use sunglasses and need a quick, reliable way to clean them without smudging, these are a great choice. Their portability ensures you can keep your lenses spotless anywhere, anytime. What people say. This screen cleaner is effective at removing fingerprints and smudges from electronic devices. The spray bottle design allows for an even application of the cleaning solution. It dries quickly without leaving streaks, ensuring a clear and clean screen. Number 4. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Tired of streaky, smudged screens? Our advanced formula leaves your screens looking brand new with every clean. It ensures spotless clarity, enhancing your viewing experience without any residue. Protect your delicate screens with our included microfiber cloth. It glides smoothly, ensuring no scratches or abrasions. It's gentle enough for frequent use on all your devices. Our cleaner is completely free from alcohol and ammonia. You can use it confidently on all your electronic screens, including TVs, laptops, and phones. Enjoy economical, long-term use with our large 16-ounce bottle. It provides hundreds of sprays, meaning fewer purchases and more savings for your household. This versatile cleaner works on a wide range of screens, from HD TVs and laptops to sensitive smartphone displays. It safely tackles fingerprints, dust, and smudges without damage. What we like. This cleaner boasts a powerful streak-free formula and comes with a scratch-free microfiber cloth, ensuring your screens look pristine without damage. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning kit for all your electronic devices, from TVs to phones, and want a safe, effective solution for a busy household, this is the one for you. What people say. This screen cleaner is effective at removing fingerprints and smudges from electronic devices. The spray bottle is designed for easy application, providing a fine mist that covers the screen evenly. Dries quickly without leaving streaks, ensuring a clear and sharp display. Number 3. YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner Gray. Meet the YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner, your all-in-one solution for pristine electronic screens. It's designed to tackle fingerprints, sweat, and dirt with ease. This innovative device combines a spray bottle with a built-in microfiber cloth. It's perfect for meeting your daily cleaning needs on personal electronic devices. From your phone and tablet to your laptop and even car screens, it's designed for all touchscreens. Keep all your devices looking their best. Our effective cleaning solution, combined with a soft, reusable microfiber cloth, gently removes smudges without scratching. It leaves your screens looking brand new. Simply spray and wipe. The microfiber cloth is washable and reusable, making it a convenient and durable choice for long-term screen care. Crafted with high-quality microfiber, it ensures a soft touch that won't scratch. Enjoy a streak-free shine every time you clean. What we like. This product offers a clever 2-in-1 design with a built-in spray and microfiber cloth, making it incredibly easy to use. If you value convenience and want a compact solution for daily touch-up cleaning of fingerprints and smudges on your phone, laptop, or tablet, this is an excellent option for you. What people say. The cleaner is effective and leaves no streaks. It comes with a microfiber cloth that is very soft and does not scratch the screen. The spray bottle is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of cleaner. Number 2. Electronic Wipes Screen Cleaner. Tired of smudges and streaks on your electronic screens? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep them pristine. Get ready for a flawless viewing experience. Our advanced formula ensures a completely streak-free finish on all your devices. Say goodbye to frustrating smudges and hello to clarity. It works wonders on every surface. From your computer monitor and TV to your smartphone and tablet, these wipes are perfect for every screen. Keep all your essential electronics looking their best with ease. Crafted with care, our wipes are gentle on delicate screen surfaces but tough on dirt and grime. You can trust them to clean effectively without causing any damage. Enjoy peace of mind with every wipe. This value pack comes with 80 wipes in total, ensuring you always have one on hand when you need it. Keep one at home and one at the office for continuous clarity. It's the smart choice for clean screens. Each pack includes a high-quality microfiber cloth for an even better cleaning experience. Use it to buff your screen to a perfect shine after wiping. It's the ultimate screen cleaning solution. What we like. This option provides a generous bulk pack of 80 wipes along with a microfiber cloth, offering great value. If you need a convenient, pre-moistened solution for cleaning multiple electronic devices regularly, such as your computer, TV, or smartphone, and want a cost-effective way to keep them all smudge-free, this is a solid pick. What people say. It cleans my phone screen very well. This screen cleaner is very effective and leaves no streaks. The spray bottle is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of cleaner. Number 1. MiracleSpray Electronics Cleaner Kit. Tired of smudges and grime on your valuable electronics? Introducing MiracleSpray, the ultimate solution for a crystal clear display. This powerful yet gentle cleaner is safe for virtually any electronic surface. From your TV and phone to your computer and keyboard, it handles it all. Its advanced formula effectively removes dust, fingerprints, and other contaminants without leaving streaks. Enjoy a pristine viewing experience every time. To ensure a perfect finish, this kit comes complete with a high-quality microfiber towel. It's designed to clean without scratching delicate screens. Get the most out of your cleaning routine with this generous 16-ounce kit. It provides long-lasting performance for all your electronic devices. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal and experience the difference. Keep your electronics looking and performing their best with this essential kit. What we like. This cleaner is safe for multiple surfaces and comes in a large 16-ounce bottle with an included microfiber towel, offering long-lasting use. If you're looking for a versatile and economical cleaning solution for all your electronics, including TVs, phones, and computers, and prefer a trusted brand for a thorough clean, this kit is ideal. What people say. This screen cleaner is highly effective at removing fingerprints and smudges from electronic devices, leaving screens crystal clear. The spray bottle design allows for an even and controlled application, preventing overspray and streaks. It dries quickly without leaving any residue, making it safe for use on sensitive screens like smartphones and tablets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.